taking it one step at a time, mastering English phrases. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a very popular and meaningful phrase, one step at a time. This phrase is not just about walking or moving physically. It's a powerful principle that can help us tackle not only language learning but any big challenge in life. Let's dive in and discover how understanding this phrase can make a difference in your English learning adventure. One step at a time refers to the idea of approaching a task or goal gradually, focusing on one small portion at a time rather than trying to accomplish everything all at once. It emphasizes patience, persistence, and the importance of small, manageable steps in achieving a larger goal. Imagine you're climbing a mountain. You can't leap to the top in one giant jump. You have to climb it step by step. Similarly, when learning English, mastering a single concept, word, or pronunciation at a time can lead to significant progress over time. Learning a new language, like English, can feel overwhelming. There are grammar rules, vocabulary, pronunciation, and cultural nuances to understand. Trying to grasp all of these elements at once can be daunting. That's where the wisdom of one step at a time comes into play. Start with the basics, such as common phrases and simple vocabulary. Then, gradually move on to more complex grammar and conversation skills. Celebrate each small victory, whether it's learning a new word each day or mastering a particular grammatical structure. Remember, every step forward is progress. The phrase, one step at a time, also teaches us about the power of persistence. Progress in language learning doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort and practice. There will be challenges and moments of frustration, but by focusing on taking one step at a time, you can overcome these obstacles. Persistence is key. When you feel stuck or overwhelmed, remind yourself that every journey is made up of individual steps. Keep moving forward, and you'll reach your destination. We hope this exploration of one step at a time has inspired you to approach your English learning journey with patience, persistence, and confidence. Remember, every great achievement begins with the decision to try, and every expert was once a beginner. Take your learning one step at a time, and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!